Let's look at the flash fill feature in Excel. It's used to automatically recognize data and fill it into a column automatically. We have some data here for students' names, their classification, and GPA. Sometimes when you bring in data from another file, for example a CSV or comma delimited file, the data is separated by commas, but when you bring it into Excel, sometimes it puts the data into one column. If you want to separate that data, then you can use the flash fill. For the flash fill, there are a couple of ways that you can do it. I like to type the first row of data and just separate that data. After you do this, there are different ways that you can use the flash fill. There's a button here for flash fill. If you go to the bottom, you can see that it automatically recognizes that series of data from what is in the first column. We could do the same thing here, for example. Or we could click here and press Control E, and that will also work. I'm pressing Control E. Now there are times where if you are typing the data, it will recognize, you see that list popped up very quickly, it will recognize that there is a list, and you can see that it fills that in for you, and if you want to use that list, you just press enter. So those are several different ways that you can use the flash fill to separate data.